Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. So we're eagerly anticipating the CPI data that's coming out later today. It's looking likely that it's going to remain muted at 5% year on year. Month on month, it is expected to creep up slightly. So what will that mean for the American economy? Well, we've seen the year on year digress quite firmly, let's say, since of July last year when it was up at 9.1%. So every month we've had 9 or 10 consecutive months of decline. The biggest decline was from 6 to 5%, which was the last reading, but now we're staying muted at 5%. So is this going to be a sign that the Fed could start really tightening its monetary policy or leaving it a bit more loose in their next meeting? We've also got the Bank of England interest rate decision tomorrow, which could shake up cable. We'll report on that on tomorrow's video. What we want to look at today is where not only is the dollar going, but we'll have a look on gold as well, because the euro dollar has been muted quite significantly around the 110 handle. We've been seeing a move to the higher ends of 110, almost touching 111 before dropping 100 pips back down, back down below to 110. So if we look on the charts from today, we're just seeing now, as I said, bulls are just coming out of this channel to the upside. We've had quite strong progression since the move from the 105 handle. So it's over 500 pips move in just a few sessions or a couple of weeks, and it's looking likely that we're in store for quite a big correction now. But how far will that correction go? Well, at the moment, like I said, we are just muted around the 110 handle, big psychological level there, and we're just waiting for more traders and economists to see if they're going to start doing some short sells, some big buys, and where we're going next in the market as well. So like I said, CPI data coming up, very, very exciting times because it could shake the markets quite significantly. What we are also looking for now is also a possible move back up to 110 after we've declined, as I said, from the 111 handle, 100 pips to the downside, finding some support at the moment just in the mid 109 region before we start just creeping up. Like I said, just highlighted the 110 handle for our viewers here. So if we do start going towards that particular handle, probably another 20-30 pips, which isn't far away, we could see a break and then a possible move back up to the 111 area. But this all depends obviously on the CPI data that's coming out later on today. Are we going to see more of a bullish move for the dollar, or is it going to start really consolidating quite correctively? So consolidating, then being corrective in the near term as well. So let me know what you think. Do you think the dollar is going to start progressing? Are the CPI data results really going to have so much of an impact? 5% year on year CPI data really showing signs of weakness in the last few trading sessions. Speaking of weaknesses, we're seeing no signs of that in gold. I'll just keep it on the 4-hour chart for you, because at the moment, since we saw this particular support area or consolidation area roughly about the 1970 to the 2000 area, since we broke through that, we're seeing 2000 as being quite a large support now, like we just saw here, and now we're just seeing another move to the upside. So is this going to keep on pushing higher? Is the dollar really going to start progressively moving gold back up to the recent highs that we saw at 2080, 2081? It's really looking likely that we are not done with not only the banking crisis, but this inflationary pressure that the Fed keeps on pulling out. And we'll just see if that has any implications on the next move as well. So let me know what you think. Thank you for joining me today. Have a great trend day ahead, and let's look for the CPI data on our Telegram. We'll update you accordingly for the latest in breaking news. Thank you very much, and have a great trading day ahead, and bye for now.